guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be decorating for Christmas. I have just been slacking on decorating my tree, but today is the day for me to finally do that. I'm going to be putting some things around my living room too, not too much. And then I'm going to be showing you guys the rest of the house, like the decorating and stuff, because I just went through all of my Christmas stuff, so it's good that I did because I noticed that a couple of my decorations were broken and there was like pieces of glass everywhere. So I was like, great. This all of my decorations. I don't have a lot, but this is good. And I got some fake snow with some little glitter specks. And then here's the rest of the stuff. I'm going to show you guys my decorations as I put them on the tree so you guys can actually see them. I am a big gamer. I'm a nerd, okay, let's just be honest here. To my local Dollarama, and they actually had these little gaming controllers and they were freaking red. And I love the color red for like decor, and I thought these were perfect because I love video games and playing games. So before I get on to decorating the tree, I forgot I had this. Fake snow, that's what it's supposed to be. Looking good. I mean, at least I got some snow in here because outside there's no snow at all. Like, what's going on here, Mother Nature? Hey, where's my snow? Looking good, yeah. It's decorated. It's all done. I realize I have a lot of unicorns. These are so cute. They look like this. I broke a snowflake. That's it. I better go sing a Christmas carol. Okay, I got these. These are super cute. Just like a red and gold sequin star, a Santa hat, a little Santa glove, and a little Santa stocking. Let's go and put these on the tree, and hopefully I don't break them. Okay, let's go. Oh, I just broke another piece of the snowflake. On some snowflakes, I got some silver ones and some gold ones. I'm gonna put up some of these cute little ice cubes. Ice cubes. These are ice cubes. I mean icicles. Some of these red stars. These are really pretty. I have like a couple of them. Some of these, they're actually made by other people. So I have my cat Aria, which is in here, super cute. They're like these homemade little like ornaments, and they just have like my cat in one and my cat. I don't know if you guys can, no, you guys probably won't be able to see her because of the, oh, there you go. My ring light's in the way, but there's me and my cat in one, which is really pretty. I have my sister's cat Halo. Really pretty. So I'm gonna put these up on the tree. 2 silver ones and a gold one. These are pretty much done decorating my tree. I didn't put all of my decorations up. I still have quite a bit of tree decorations in front of me, but I don't want to put any more up. I feel like it's pretty covered, so I don't really want to add any more. I'm gonna do my little shelf over here, and then my stockings, and then I'll show you the rest of the house. So
just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of